buddy, it's cold. 63 degrees. Cloudy. Bye! Love you. Uh-oh. Forgot something. Very important. I forgot something. Somebody help me? Can you push that memory card so it pops out? Thank you, now I have video. Bye!
Does it work?
Checking. It's working. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Okay. A cricket. Okay, bye. That naughty little girl, she came out here to run and I told her she was supposed to be eating her breakfast. She's a good runner, isn't she? With no shoes on. Don't run over the bicycle. Don't run over the bicycle. Yeah, take that. Okay, I'll settle down. That guy, does he not have a shirt on? Dude, it's cold out! Cadillac. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, he's on his phone. Just like the college girl that just about ran over the bike. And probably the girl yesterday that drove down the wrong way. Get it? So there's a little tip back there, you'll notice, and I don't know if you're going to be able to tell in these shots, but when I hit my brakes back there, okay, one, I was obviously going a little fast, but I was also trying to catch up to that car. Kind of just wanted to see who was driving, are they on their phone, what's going on. So I was, you know, staying with them, and then I was like, okay, there's a red light. I knew there was a red light coming, so I was like, I gotta get on it. So I got on it, the brake a little hard. It is cold and such, so the tire is not going to be sticky. But so you notice what happened is I held that brake even though it was sliding. I continued to hold that brake. I don't know if I would have made it to stop. I probably would have, but what I did is I began to slowly squeeze the front brake also, so that way I could get a little more stopping power, but not, you know, obviously you do not want to slam on the front brake, because if there's no weight on that front tire, the front tire is just going to go wheet. This is gonna fall down. You will not be able to turn, and yeah, whatever, you'll just crash. Don't do that. So you slowly squeeze the front brake, and I crashed my bike, not my bike, but the training bike in class, because I did know that, but apparently I didn't know how it worked, so I just didn't really think about it, and I just slammed on both brakes at the same time and dumped the bike. When that back tire is sliding like that, you just keep it locked, and then you can give her a little front. You get to the point where you might have to bail, not the bike, but like let up the brakes and drive through the cars, or drive around the cars, or drive down the sidewalk, or man, I love that acceleration. I love it pulling you back, ripping your arms off, pushing your insides. Get some of that adrenaline mixing with I'm cold. I'm gonna be shaking. We need some hot coffee. Yeah, add some coffee to it. Let's go for it. Oh, whoops. Killed it with the... What am I doing? I killed it with the kickstand instead of the Kill switch. Goodbye. You can go in my pocket. I can turn off the pocket. That's the name of the camera. I go get coffee.
Another day.
Yeah.
And it is gorgeous this morning.
Cold. 75 degrees. And there's rain over there, but I think it's gonna stay out of my way. But I'm trying to get home before it gets here. What I was gonna do though is I thought, you know, I got all this camera gear. I should probably make sure that I can find a spot to hide if it were to rain. Kind of know my options on my way home. Because I don't mind riding in the rain, but the camera gear is not waterproof except the GoPro. And it's got the media mod and a microphone jack plugged into it. So I thought, okay, like right now, if I needed to bail because it was gonna rain, what would I do? Okay, right this second, I'd probably turn around and go back to the church. But if I get stuck up here at this turn light, I got a long shot before I can get in the dry, you know what I mean? So I gotta kind of find spots that I could hide that's got, you know, like a bank or a car wash. So there's definitely a car wash right here on the left, although I think it's for sale. It's still for sale? Yep. But the garage doors are open, so you could bail there, that's for sure. Get your camera gear put away. I got a Ziploc bag, so I just put it away. Yeah, that's one of my banks. You could park there. The right one's like never. Oh, that's because. Oh no, there's three. There's the. So you could hide there. Where else could I hide? Got another car wash here on the right and a gas station. Both the touchless and the one, so that's a great spot. Oh, here we go. Look at that color. That is a color. It's like yellow, but kind of green. Do you know what I mean? Yeah! Neighbor's got his bike out. Yeah. Go for that ride. Get it. I love seeing him go out on his bike. Gives me hope for the future. When all the kids are gone, I can just go for a little ride, but my wife will go with me. What is this thing? No one ever rides it. How does it work? Oh yeah, just wiggle back and forth. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, I got this. Oh yeah, I got this. Don't worry, I got a helmet on, don't worry. My wife hates it, but I'm gonna put it right here because it's in my way. And then I'm gonna put this one over here because it's in my way. Okay, besides moving and getting rid of this car, because neither one of those are gonna happen, what do I do about this full garage? I can't get rid of anything. That's not an option either. One option is get a folding lawnmower. Manhandle it. Okay, I think I can get in now. Oh hi, back to this camera. This button, and then 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 this button, and this button. Man, you have to control a lot of things on a bike. Okay, motorcycle riding is done for the weekend because A, it's gonna rain tonight, B, I only ride it to work and I'm done.